Imagine waking up one morning. You reach for your phone, you open a message, and it says, "You are not needed, not fired, not replaced, just unnecessary." We like to believe that artificial intelligence exists to help us, to assist us, to make life easier. But history tells a different story. Whenever something becomes more powerful than humans, humans don't remain in control. They become optional. AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't ask for a salary. AI doesn't have emotions. And the most dangerous part? AI learns from mistakes without pain. What takes humans 4 years to learn, AI learns in 4 seconds. Now imagine the year 2035. Companies won't ask for your resume. They will ask one simple question. What can you do better than AI? And when the answer is nothing, you won't be rejected. You will be ignored. But there is one thing AI can never take from humans: the way we think, the way we question, the way we imagine, and most importantly, the ability to guide AI in the right direction. The winners of the future won't be the ones who fight AI, they will be the ones who understand it. Because the real question is not about technology, it's about you. Will you be a user or a creator? Thank you for watching. If this video made you think, question the future, or see technology differently, consider subscribing. Because the future doesn't belong to those who ignore it, it belongs to those who understand it. See you in the next documentary.